Chur bútóirí Fé20 na hÉireann na bliain cata Iomána deir le feachtasaí Craobh Iomána agus Cliath anorig. Conas mar bheadh com líana. Faoi stúr Mark Dowling clíg na cuitlach garmin am a hain. In grúpa tríarn bei Cinnigh-3-20 Cliath faoi stúr a manastúr nua Fintan Clandillan os na Sarshéig Leocán. Má darmad donacha a haman trátrachta.
Tá imreoir is club déag dul an parca do Kilkenny inne. Se Mark Dowling a banistá ríist mbliana. Bhúil siad ar garmas a géad bhálta agus bíad Aaron McAvoy, Sean Bergen, Owen Ling as Tom McPhillips a Bardómh sa Glyfishin. Seo chéadchas a bhleath Cliath agus ar nóid Fintan Clandillan mar bhainisteoir. Tá imreoir is deaglob a dul an parca, Cahar Kilvó Codad na Cróca as se David Purcell sa Gabhair Neller Yesh an Timmers ahan a díobh sin, sin na gimmers le séintear chundé i mbliana. So now go Hurling and chop. Cahar Kilkenny. Get the Jason Chin. Tom McPhillips, the Curran Keane. Kilkenny's the Gira Iberfried and chop. So Tor Costendor as Black Cliath. Gira the Halvoy in it. Tasha Foss, Igna Coits. Halcha Cliff a Lech Hanish line and her noy. The Gunna Ivoli, Shaw Shanson is again McDermott. Long Tussach has come at him as Chiffon, Bulka Jessica. Cliath yn cantrin glantas teach the lorach ní le fanat an trin ach an cosndor le cois golóir fórnanis sin can ord choristeach an trin James Hughes so just a mile cholacht on Cole scoralsa nish Masto ro enim ro the Garnog so donig Lero Jack am Brando Richt sin an Lero Dort choristeach no ní rot ní runners a botonig a goalbar Mach tífnis agus Slú jazz ball an joga Pork UPMC in Nolan. Pass jazz start in the Porka. So the Ed McDermott reached. Ed a Casa Hart and catch a boot to a roll and again. Ash and Cooling and Sky Ed McDermott. Fish off with Ruin Chin. Faus tacht walking in the hard Carroch and Trot. Pass jazz boot to she's the thief. Watch out, he's David Mulqueen, Ilan Harvey, Gare, Ash and Colin, John Skate, Scotty, David Mulqueen, or the Ruchado. Puckmachin, Stephen Minogue, Farrell has come on him as Stefan. Express Kechamasa Hosta, Kilkenny and shot to Black Cliath, Faucio Gamor, with Hamilton Noahs. Sin can Ella extended Crosby agus Hodge sin or agus Crean agus Shea Colin in Yee Chéile Andrew Black Cliath and Shaw. Chancenish egg. Oh, draw fast cards. Touchy foot again by Dermot McCackwick Cool agus Fawn. Oh. Lehes go Watton Genty Black Cliath, Girgriv Lahamad Shaw, and pass Pedro's far, he was gently in her fod. Here's a guest.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here's Ord, with your stach. Or they go hauling again, McDermott. August pass for the trust at the counter to show will cool a lot, on Cancha. Was a 40 Michael Brennan. Being pass alling o Ed McDermott. Peter na mach cool bar umland sastel is near the stopper. Da clear chachten is is an 3 holchen geltakers and already we rock and give shim bogama. So the David Purcell. Shella Fosig Purcell, Ellen Gare. Oh, correct David Purcell. On cool. Hickok and Fog Rimmer Shaw. The change of Black Cliath then a lad og. It's a rock blin deog. Scored and Scohic Purcell and Chin. Glantamach and Chin, Daniel Joyce. Gabriel Sheridan, the Kilkenny. Tom McPhillips, captain of Forna. Rashi Black Cliath. Especially the road, the damage just Tusty Marshash and Cantor Bootsa. David Port, Conal O'Rian, as he Bootsa Gadasiga. Puckmach Gar, Arnoy Black Cliath, Harid Shear. Tá búlteisteach. Dí Lorna Parke. Agus well tá imór sin tan sin nach lena mu an immert. Canta chumachar a tíomh. Iardáda Jenny Michael Brennan, tá sí búlte fadach, tá sí búlte Crainey Michael Brennan. Scór deas ag a siúd. Is réitar a Laurson seo. Agus an corta dearagar a torta sin spáinte go Timmy Kelly. Agus sin go beidir gur heasteir choisebe. Ren chomat an corta dearag spáinte. Tá clíanais go mór an dearan seo agus tá scóir cinnte testal bhag. Canta gan se búlte ísel, tá se sábhailta go gúilbar ní sí glanta fós, sele fós ag Black Cliath. Agus bhfuil imreoir tartú go an talón, well, muinte Black Cliath ceappa go bhfuil, níon muinte Kilkenny, a tá seanta go fós, seantanis, agus í scópaisteach i Daniel O'Kelly ar deire. An Bernalaid go sé, beidir nach bhfuil deire le fós. Treiber siad cruach an is sin a hocroach ag cruach near deire. Clantamach sin Stephen Minogue. Shell of Harvard Houtachnish. As to will in chance fótí Black Cliath cantar machar a tíomh. Tá sí fáte Ed McDermott an lán tosach agus an Timra beidir fearr ta ach agus áir scór eile ag McDermott. Seach gúlín at a ríist. Mar sin, bua slachtar an seo ag Kilkenny bei áiteach a siúd sa glyfa Lecanis.
I suppose Dublin were always going to come with something, and they did in the first half for about a 15-minute period where we couldn't get to grips with them at all, and then the second half they came again there. I was happy with a lot of things we'd done, probably not in the first half. In the second half we'd probably done it a little bit better and controlled the game a little bit better, but we certainly have things to work on. But look, it really can only start, I suppose, after the round robin, you know, and we've fallen at the semi-final ultimately. So look, you know, our work starts now really and trying to achieve a semi-final win and get into a final.